You can see change over time in Fairfax County by using the Fairfax County JADE Mapping Application. And this video will show you how to use it to see change over time. So first, you're going to go to https://bit.ly/Fairfax-JADE. And the F is capitalized, JADE is capitalized. It may take a minute to load, but it should load the JADE. Okay, once it loads, you're going to go to Manage Map Layers right here and click on Manage Map Layers. And each of these, if you press the plus button, it will expand that particular category. But for our purposes, we're going to turn off all categories except for imagery, which is satellite and aerial imagery. And as you can see here, you can choose if there's a specific year that you want to look at. You can choose a specific year. But we also have this slider bar that will allow you to see change over time, all the way back to 1937 or forward. So once we've pulled up the imagery only, we can click on Searches right here. And then the second icon will bring up this address search. And we can type in a street name here, but don't put the street type like court or drive or circle. That part comes down here. So here we're going to type in as South Lakes. Then we can click on South Lakes. And then down here we can do drive or court or whatever. So South Lakes Drive. Then search. And it will zoom in a lot. So I'm going to zoom back out using the plus and the minus here. Okay, and it's showing us all of the addresses that are on South Lakes Drive. So I can close this by doing this and this. And then if we don't want to look at this menu, we can close it here. So I'm going to back up just a little bit more, and we are looking at South Lakes Drive. I can tell this is the toll road here. I see the golf course here. And it's easy to see, even from a distance, where our school is, because here are the two lakes, and we're right in the middle there. There's Langston Hughes right there. So there's Langston Hughes, and we can get closer or farther. And then if we want to see how time has changed the way our area looks, we can use the slider bar and hold down my mouse and just slide backwards. This is 2007, back to, this looks like it's 1960. We can really see some change over time. We can start to see when the town of Reston was being built. So this is 1976. And we can go all the way back to 1937. It's just aerial photographs from a plane, but we can definitely see that the area has changed. This again is the area where Langston Hughes eventually would be built. So if I move it back up to 2024, you can see Langston Hughes is right here. So this video was a way to show you how to get into the Fairfax County JADE Mapping Application, how to turn on the imagery over here in this section here, the imagery section, and also how to find a specific address by looking in the searches area using the second icon and then typing in the name of the street where you want to see.